This is not a good environment to grow crops. And this is not a good environment to grow democracy. And neither is this. The environments are just not suitable. So we created Politiq, a new social media platform dedicated to politics, social, and economic issues. We've got the right environment to put you back in control of your government, to get you better information, and to foster respect for the people who think differently than you. An organization's business model has the most impact on its behavior. Because of this, Politiq will be a nonprofit. It will also be nonpartisan. It will not serve ads. It will not mine your data. It will have open source algorithms. It'll automatically match you up with your local leaders. It will require human verification, but it will also allow you to be anonymous. It will not censor anything, but it will employ a reputation system that encourages respectful, thoughtful discussion. These promises are not rocket science. It's the only way out of the social media predicament we're in. It can't all be junk food, so Politiq wants to be the spinach of social media. Cheap, healthy, and if you cook it right, actually pretty tasty. But not something you want to eat every day. Sign up and start digitally voting on your representatives and taking stances on the topics dearest to you, and do it in a friendlier, more thoughtful environment. Let's spend less but more fulfilling time online and go out and have fun with the rest of our lives. Sign up in 2023 and we'll give you free basic usage forever.